Not worried about catching the bridge because it doesn't weigh much, so just be ready to catch the paper.
Oh man, I have so high hopes, man. Yeah.
Well, I know, but I will catch the other side.
Yeah. Yeah.
So on the middle. That gives
Oh.
us the worst possible loading.
Oh, it hurts.
We have photographic evidence if you hold it.
I mean, the video could get corrupted, Professor.
Oh no, me, it's right here.
Okay. Good so far.
Yeah. Huh? 5 or 6? I mean, we're gonna get 12.
It's not even wiggling.
Yeah, but that's what worries me.
You say you're gonna get 12?
Yes. We could like do like 40 distributed, right? Yeah. Let's
How much does 12
pretend
pieces
that's
of paper weigh?
a lot.
It's about 5.5 pounds a piece. It's like 60 pounds.
Okay.
You have to walk.
I'm super glad we added the supports at the last moment. Okay, it's pretty wobbly. 6? Dude, I think it's safer to just let it fall.
Well, all you're really trying to do is keep it from falling on the floor.
Right. More like
Well,
keep it from falling on your tooth. It's like Jenga. Oh ho 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 ho.
well, it's because it's very stiff right where it's sitting on right on top of the joint.
No, I don't have to take this one.
It's very stiff right on top. There we go.
Oh man, I ain't ready for this.
Yeah, then you should just fix the bracing.
Well, if it's yellow piece, it's not red. You got a lot of use.
But I don't think.
Getting all this?
Yeah. Don't worry, it's not for commercial use. Maybe it is. Maybe it'll just go in my professional
Sign a
profile.
model, please.
Yeah, maybe actually.
Oh, yeah. You still need to think of something.
No freaking way, dude.
You may just have to retire your bridge.
Yeah, can we do that now?
How many you got?
This is 10. That's the whole case.
One more of those black pieces.
Oh,
It's just the balancing that's
Holy crap.
not bad.
Wow, you guys structured? I think it's pushing against those books.
We're about
over
the,
there.
this piece right here is just about the buckle.
We should have braced it across.
Whoa!
All right, that was impressive.